Hi everyone, welcome back to Grow with Kit. So in today's episode I'm going to be making sort of like a wildlife insect area, sort of around here. So I've got a few things which I'm going to be using, just some bits of wood, branches, some old smashed up bits of slate and stuff. I hope you can hear me okay. Apologies for all the shooting. But they're shooting their clay pigeons today. So we'll get cracking. So I thought it'd be a good idea to reuse this old wagon wheel type thing. So then it will keep the area contained. So that'll be the first thing that we're going to be using in there. I've got lots of bits and bobs here, roof tile things and bricks and some old pipes. So that'll be great for insects. So I'll use some of that stuff. And I've also been and collected, just from under the trees and that, all these logs and branches, and found a couple of stones and stuff, so I'll be using them as well. We'll head back over. I'll gather all this up and we'll head over and we'll get started on it. Alright guys, so this is what I come up with. Just got the tubes either side with the logs and that through the middle, and the slate and that, and some old lumps of clay which I found whilst digging, and some old bricks. I just scattered them around, just little hiding places for insects and frogs and stuff. Might even get the hedgehogs in there, probably not, but you don't know. Anyway, so we'll you can add on, got other things I could add to this and that, but yeah, so it's just using up what you've got really, just to set something up. We'll see what we get in here. I will keep you updated on this. So thanks a lot for watching anyway. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's quite a quick project, for probably ideal for kids, but so yeah, anyway, thanks guys, see you next time.